it right now. Number 2 is FLSUN Official V400 Delta 3D Printer. Embark on a sculpting journey like never before with the FLSUN Official V400 Delta 3D Printer, your ultimate creative companion. Say goodbye to waiting and hello to warp speed printing with its mind-boggling capabilities. Speeds up to 600 mm per second and an acceleration of 25,000 plus mm/s superscript 2. This printer is more than just a machine, it's a time-traveling art wizard. Equipped with cutting-edge klipper firmware and an ultralight short-range extruder design, this beast boasts a double-drive wire feeding structure, a 5-to-1 reducer, and a high-temperature, high-precision stepping motor. It's like Formula 1 for your sculptures. The extrusion force reaches a whopping 70 N, ensuring each layer is pristine. The FLSUN Speeder Pad 7-inch wide-angle IPS screen brings your creations to life with plug-and-play simplicity. No fuss, just pure artistic magic at your fingertips. And oh, that unique robotic arm design! Crafted with 3K-grade materials akin to high-end drones, it flaunts a robust carbon fiber rod, aerospace aluminum housing, and wear-resistant POM bearings. Speaking of material, the bimetal 300°C high-temp nozzle lets you explore a spectrum of filament possibilities, from PLA and wood to TPU, ABS, PETG, PC, and even nylon. Just try it first. If you are inquisitive about this 3D printer, check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.